Your Medicare card is one of those most important cards you'll ever have for the rest of your life. Watch this video to fully understand how it works and how to read it. Hi, I'm Cheryl Scarlato. I'm with SSG Insurance, also known as Senior Solutions Group, and I want to talk to you about your Medicare card. So these are the new Medicare cards that you should already have received in the mail. And of course, it's going to have your name on it. Now, that might seem easy enough, but a lot of you don't go by John L. Smith. You might go by Johnny. So everybody calls you Johnny. And if every document that you have except your Medicare card, you sign it as Johnny Smith, when you apply for your Medicare insurance or your Medicare supplements or Medicare Part Advantage Part D, you have to match the application up exactly with your Medicare card. So even if it's the last 50 years, you've been known as Johnny Smith, you have to apply as it is on your Medicare card. However, you got signed up with Medicare and Social Security, and that's how you want to apply for your insurance. Now, if it says John L., you need to do the L, and you're not going to go, well, that doesn't make any sense because isn't it a numeric system? Don't they match me up by my number? And my name is really kind of irrelevant? Well, you'd think so, wouldn't you? Well, that's how it's supposed to work. But no, we've had problems for years with people that didn't have the middle initial, or they put J period Len Johnny Smith and the right number, and then it gets lost in the Medicare system. The new Medicare numbers that came out in 2019 are randomly assigned. So they're not on your Social Security as it used to be for the past 50 years of Medicare. Now you have two dates on your card. You have a Part A date and a Part B date. The Part A is everything they have that's in the hospital, and Part B is everything that's outside of the hospital. So you see the dates right here are both the date, then John, otherwise known as L or Johnny, turns 65. That's because most Americans, when they turn 65, they come off of their group insurance and they retire. And we know that that's not everybody because more and more people don't want to quit working because they like working. And a lot of people aren't allowed to quit working because their spouse is younger and the spouse has got to have some group insurance still. Or the wife says, no, 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 you're not staying home with me all day. Stay at work even if you don't need the money. And then there's all the people that can't afford to quit, right? They have to keep working. So these dates might not be the same. The first date, Part A, is going to be the date in most cases that you turn 65. Okay? So that will be the first day of the month that you turn 65. So if this person was March the 1st, that means his birthday could have been any time in March. So his birthday could have been March 12th, March 20th, and his Medicare would have started on the first day of the month. Now, Part B, this date is going to be whenever you decide to go off your group insurance and sign up for Part B. Part B, you have to pay every month. Medicare Part A, you already paid in for while you were working, and they took that out of your paycheck the whole time you were working. So that's a brief primer on your Medicare card. One of the most important cards that's in your wallet. So call SSG Insurance when you have any questions. We're here to help. So let us help your family today.